Hello guys, welcome to the Coding Yoddha. So in this video we are going to see what is global variable and where to use it. So let's start with this. So suppose we have a function, okay? We are defining a function and we call it suppose func local, okay? And what we are going to do is we are going to slice a variable here. Suppose we slice a variable and this is a we put a value local variable, okay, and then we go and print it, print x, okay, and let's come and call this function func local, and again let's try to call the variable that was initialized or created in this function, okay. So let's try to run it. You can see what it's giving, right? First it came and printed local variable, whatever it was defined in our function. When our function was called, it printed it, and then we tried to access the local variable x. It gave us an error saying name x is not defined, okay. So whatever any variable that is defined, that is created, that is defined inside a function is a local variable and can be used only inside that function, okay. Let's come to what is global variable. So global variable is a variable which is defined outside any function in the main code. Suppose we have some functions, okay, func a, I'm just giving a prototype, it's not a correct code, and we defined a variable here, okay, variable, and we define some value. So this variable, because this is not coming in inside any function, any inside any block, so this one is a global variable. It means this can be accessed from any of the functions defined below. So let's try to access it. Define func access variable. You can name it anything, I'm just naming it clear, and I try to print it, okay. I'm just trying to print variable, okay. Second thing that I'm going to do is I will come down and print our variable from outside of function 2. Let's run it. What do we get? Oh, wait, it's confusing actually. I will type global variable because it gave output none and will confuse what is actually happening. Now let's run it. So what do you get? You get an okay, I forgot to call the function, sorry. So this should print global value variable twice, right? So it's printing global variable right twice, okay. So let's come here, okay. Let's again slice, let's again do something else. So I'm putting a global variable value as 2, okay. I'm just printing it for now. It should print 2 twice, correct? Correct. Now I came here and I tried to add 2 to the variable, okay. Now I'm just commenting this print last print function. Let's see what happens. It showed an abound local error, local variable difference before assignment. What's that? What does it mean? It means you are free to access any global variable from inside of your function, but you cannot modify its value. That you can read it, but you can't modify its value. So if you want to modify it, modify value of a global variable from your inside of a function, what we're going to do? We'll do global var. Okay, now print value of global. Sorry, print value var, and again print. Let's just print from out the function 2 and see with what will be the value of var after running this function. Let's run it. So you got it, right? It came here And what it is, this global keyword is stating that treat this variable as a global variable and modify its value globally. So it came here, it took global variable is equal to variable plus 2. So it went back and searched for variable's value, it is 2, then it added it to variable and total will be 4. So it printed out. And see, it also modified the value of the global variable var globally. So for that run, now the value of the variable has changed to 4. So that's the main difference between global and local variable. Okay, that's all guys. See you in the next video. Thank you.